Hi there, welcome back to a new video on the Biohead 67 production channel. I'm William, and today's video, oh my goodness, this is not one of my dreams come true, but very close. Because in this video we're going for a ride along, as you can see, in a Peugeot 306 Maxi. I'm doing the intro a little bit later on because this was a surprise for Martin. Ian, you might know him, is kind enough to take me along with it. And yeah, that's going to be awesome. He's fueling it up right now. And yeah, let's start off the video because surprisingly was put in the car. Awesome. Enjoy this video. Hopefully you enjoyed as much as I did. Probably not though. Yeah. I was wondering.
Just before you go,
power steering off.
just before you go anywhere.
All right, this is very unexpected. Actually going on a ride along in this Peugeot 306 Maxi. Together with Ian. I know him from Facebook. Well, when I say know him, I know his car. I just met him today. And my goodness, this thing is amazing.
switching gear shift lights. I can't see my own roads.
Yeah.
Put some lights on.
Man, this is such a coincidental week, man. All these events is going on. I've seen a whole bunch of cars. It's amazing. This put the cherry on the cake for me. For about 6 years here right now?
4.5 years.
4.5, okay.
This is sort of part 2 because I got halfway through the last build and never camped that way. So
oh, that's annoying.
Hunting out a new engine and then the project kind of grew legs from what was supposed to be a bit of a fast road car to now a full-on rally car. But I've built a car I can't really use in reality because
well, that's what car people do.
I don't really have the time or the budget to go rallying, so but it's been fun to build it, and I've met a lot of good people. So.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're probably a bit wider than
yeah, maybe, yeah.
But that's what the car people do, right? I built just like this, only 2.5, you know, wide body. But I decided to build it into a track car.
Yeah.
Which it's not a mistake, but I want to drive it more often, which I can't.
Yeah.
It's not road legal. Yeah,
okay. Yeah. Well, fully MOT, tapped on it.
Yeah. At least you can drive this on a nice Sunday day. Woo! Bit of food starvation, I'm guessing.
This is the first time I've really driven it since it's been mapped, so it's all pretty new to me right now.
Yeah. Are you going to fill it up with fuel or what?
I think we'll go for some fuel because I think we've been using a fair bit on the dyno then.
Yeah. I can imagine that. Put them in off a little bit.
I've now got a few weeks or a few months maybe ahead of just ironing out all the little bugs now and continually spanner checking. And
unfortunately, that is the reality of doing that.
It is, yeah. When you start from scratch, so many things can go astray. We had our trouble today on the dyno, just silly little issues.
But at least the car, other than the issue where it runs fine. And of course, the one you need.
The one I need.
Yeah, always. I'm just going to sit in here, and I don't want to really spread myself in. Better than I expected. It's actually quite nice. electronic blinker. Light, I'm guessing. This car must be pretty light, I'm guessing.
I need to reset all this. I need to figure out how I'm going to work with that.
Because when you were on it, it was actually pretty quick.
Yeah, it's okay. I've got work to do for sure.
Yeah, of course. It's
taking a step closer, but more to do.
Yeah. From what I've seen on the dyno, I was like, it's actually still quite moving when you go up in the rev range. Not too bad.
It's easy to be disappointed by the little setbacks or the things that haven't gone well, but then it's harder to reflect on the fact that a lot of other things have worked okay.
Yeah. At the end of the day, you're driving a car that you love and you've built. And it works. Yeah. Let's be honest there. Let's focus on that, right? And I think it's so cool that it's actually road legal as well.
Yeah.
You've done yourself a favor by choosing to go that route.
Probably not the most comfortable, but road legal all the same.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got a heated screen, I've got demisters, so I've got some functionality there.
Probably real summer is going to be really hot considering there's no cold air coming to your face, but other than that, this is the only thing to complain. Worth it. For some reason I thought you were going to do that. It works well actually. Damn, not too bad. Need a little bit of practice of course, but other than that.
I missed it, went for the kill.
That was cool. Hey Ian, I want to thank you very much. That was amazingly awesome. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video.